Make a great choice today with the 2019 3500. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 6.7-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, roll stability control, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, daytime running lights, front suspension classification, solid live axle. Inside you'll find rear view camera, audio radio, touch screen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cruise control, trip computer, multifunction display, child safety locks, power steering, tachometer. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.